Hey, hi everyone, this is me Rishiraj Acharya and you are watching Pi Acharya, where I walk you through the world of machine learning. So in my last video I said that we are going to dive into more types of machine learning now that you have had a glimpse of what machine learning is. So what happens is, depending on the labels, we get different types of machine learning problem. In case of our fruit recognition model, we had labels which were discrete quantities. The labels were either banana or cucumber. But in different problems like predicting the salary of a person from his years of service, the label, that is salary, is more of a continuous quantity. But even before getting into the type of label, we have to check whether a label is at all present or not. If the label is present, then it comes under supervised learning. If labels are absent, it comes under unsupervised learning. We have seen so many examples of supervised learning. But what about unsupervised learning? Have you heard of the saying, birds of the same feather flock together? Do you really know what kind of birds they are, or what are the classes of the birds? So label is actually absent in this case, and we just grouped some of the birds in a cluster based on some of their attributes. This is an example of unsupervised learning. If label is present, we can further classify supervised learning as having discrete labels or continuous labels. If the label is discrete, then it becomes a classification problem. And if the label is continuous, then it becomes a regression problem. We can also have features of different types. Features might be numeric. For example, we had the number of years of service for predicting salary. Features might be categorical as well, where we have value coming from a finite set of examples. We had the shape of the fruit for predicting the fruit. We had straight and curvy as the names of the categorical attributes because we cannot represent them numerically. But when we are doing machine learning, we can only input the numbers. So what we do is we convert these categorical attributes into numbers by one hot encoding. So let me give you an example of what one hot encoding really is. Remember how I encoded the straight as 1 and curvy as 0 in my previous video? You can go check it out and come back again to continue. That was what is called as one hot encoding. We can also achieve this by hashing or embedding, but that is going to be discussed in a future video. Hope you like the content of this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. That really motivates me to work harder to make these videos reach you every day. Thank you.